Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to remove your Bitmoji on Snapchat. If you're new to the channel, please consider hitting the subscribe button down below. And once you've done that, please leave a like down below and let's get started. I will guide you on the way how to remove your Bitmoji on Snapchat. Now the first thing you need to do is go to your Snapchat account and click on your photo on the upper left corner. In this page is your profile, so you would click on the settings button on the upper right corner. Once you're in the settings page, you may scroll down below and click on I need help. Once you're in the help page, you will type on the search bar Bitmoji. And in the results, how to link and remove my Bitmoji will help you. And if this still didn't help you, there are other ways to remove your Bitmoji. You can go back to your profile and go back to settings. Click on Bitmoji, and in here you can see three options, and below it is unlink my Bitmoji. So you might click on the option at the lowest part. Click on unlink my Bitmoji. And in here you will confirm that you will remove your Bitmoji. So click on remove. And after that, your Bitmoji will totally be removed on your account. I hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and stay updated for more tutorials.